Okay, this is JB here for today's futures day trading video review for Friday, September 22nd, 2017 for Drum and Energy Bands. Today, before 8 a.m. Eastern, we said the line in the sand would be 24.97.5, and that we thought the best bet price would be getting down lower. Well, we did get a little bit lower, but then we didn't really get down much lower. Now, in the trading room, we were working the short side, and we didn't do so bad. We didn't do huge, but we did okay. And then we were looking at this setup here that was really a good setup to take for the day, just prior to the room closing. So when we got down here, where this blue line is, this is later on in the day. This is what we call two-dimensional energy when we're dealing with a higher chart level of support, this green line. And when price gets down here, we're into the lower energy band termination. On the right chart, this is this area here. Now, what we like to do is we like to wait for the numbers to get small, in other words, below 100%. And when we're down here, what we're looking at is we're looking at a market that's pushing down, right? So you can see that originally we were pushing down with 186, and you can see how this resistance didn't act much like resistance. Price went up through it, and it was supposed to go down through support. So that was our first indication this market is struggling to go lower, And whether or not you're trading this from a intraday perspective for scalping, or whether you're looking at this, for a position intraday trade, the signs here are very clear that the energy for the day is not pushing down and support is stepping on up. You can see that if I blow this, take this to the right here a little bit so you can see it, the support level is here, stepping up to here, and then of course it moves to there. So when we're looking at this trade and we're looking at this move down, this is what we call an EP vortex. So this support here becomes very, very interesting for a trader to fade with, specifically when you're dealing with this two-dimensional energy. If you want to get in on how to use this system in a very short amount of time, 30 days actually, come in our room, get the morning brew market report, get the software, and learn how to use it. We'll be happy to work with you and get this to work directly with your personality. Thanks very much for your interest, and hope you have a great weekend.